thing is cool. We're here at the Old Spaghetti Factory in Roseville, California. We've got a really cool elevator right here. Wow. Look at this. This is something. We'll have to go back.
Hold it until it closes.
Dude, this thing is awesome.
Actually, maybe you don't have to hold it. Let go until it closes.
It's like semi-automatic.
Maybe you do. Yeah, I guess you do. Now let go, but yeah. You just have to hold it until it closes. Slam.
This thing is definitely something else. It's got a lot of character. Whoa. Your turn. Okay.
Hold it. Up. Should have done it with my other. There we go.
Nice.
And up here, or take it back down?
We'll take it back down, but I just wanted to look at the car station. But I can't look at that. I want to try something. Try that door open button when the door.
It worked.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes it used to have a weird relay thing where it wouldn't open on the first floor. Come on. There it goes. It's a little bit finicky.
Shit, this thing is cool. Sorry. GAL car switch. Just look at this cab. Whoa! What the hell?
Yeah, I told you it has relay problems.
I guess we'll end it up here then, huh?
They're not using the same floor.
Look at that chandelier.
Alright, there's a video of this thing from over here.
So this was just a fresh installation by Capital, huh?
Yep.
Cool.